Welcome to Fekete Harmony, the software environment created to host Fekete's well-performance analysis applications. This introductory video will take you through the main features available from Harmony. Upon launching Harmony, the first thing you will see is the release note showing the new features and enhancements of this version of Harmony. Clicking OK and closing the release notes window will give you access to the Harmony Start screen. Harmony has the ability to host Fekete's Decline Plus, RTA, CBM, and virtual applications identified by these four boxes. A colored box means that you have an active license for the respective application, whereas a grayed out box means that you do not. To begin, you can either click on New Project, which contains no data and requires you to import or enter data to begin, or click on Open Project to open a pre-existing Harmony project. For convenience, recently opened projects are shown within this box to allow for direct launch. Clicking on Utilities brings up a submenu, and of particular note is the Help topics, which will bring up Fekete's Help menu. To show you the features available from Harmony, we will open the navigation file associated with this video by clicking on Open Project and selecting the file from where it is saved. By default, Harmony opens in the GIS tab. In the top left-hand corner of the screen is the Entity Viewer, which contains all the wells and entities listed within the file. Wells can be viewed in various hierarchy structures, as selected from the drop-down list. Multiple views exist, and in addition to these, you can create your own custom hierarchies using the Add Modify hierarchy structure. By clicking on a well in the Entity Viewer, its location will be shown in bright green on the GIS. You can do this for multiple wells by holding Control and left-clicking, or by holding Shift and left-clicking. Note that Harmony shares shortcut keys in common with other applications such as Command-A to select all or Command-V to paste. Grouping entities within a given hierarchy can also be used to select wells by right-clicking on the entity and selecting Select Constituent Wells. Wells can also be selected within the GIS by either using the Lasso Select tool or by using the Area Select tool. You can take any group of selected wells and drag and drop them into the Entity Viewer custom window to save them for future use. Attributes tab. The Attributes tab allows you to see the data that is available for each well in your project in a tabular form. This data can be viewed on a single well basis or for a group of wells, as we demonstrated earlier, using the Control or Shift clicks. By using the checkbox in the Entity Viewer tree, you can select the data you wish to see. Note that the order in which items are checked will be the order in which they are displayed in the table, with new selections being added to the end. You can rearrange the display order by dragging and dropping. Alternatively, you can also drag items into or out of the table. If you have an attributes table that you wish to recall quickly in the future, you can save it to a template by clicking on the drop-down list at the top of the Attributes property tree and selecting Save Delete Template. Once saved, you will be able to select it from this drop-down list. By default, Harmony will open wells in the Auto Template tab. Attributes within the tables can be searched using the Query Entities function, and as well, custom attributes can be created using the Add Custom Attribute or Category button. Diagnostics tab. The Diagnostics tab is a great place to start on any analysis workflow, as it gives you an opportunity to view well and entity data such as production data, injection data, and pressure data in a graphical form. The source data generating these plots can be edited in the Editors tab, which will be covered shortly. Diagnostics plots can be customized by selecting the data you wish to see by checking the corresponding box in the Data Viewer Properties tree. Similar to the Attributes tab, you can save templates to recall for future use by using the drop-down menus in the header bar of the Data Viewer Properties tree. You may also choose to view either individual wells or groups of wells from the Entity Viewer. With multiple entities selected, you may choose to view the data on either an aggregate view or an individual view. Analysis and Editors tab. To begin analysis or edit data for any entity, we must first launch that entity by double-clicking on it. When the Analysis tab opens, it starts with the various worksheets that are available within Harmony. The source data for each entity is located within the Editor subtab. The Editor subtab displays and allows for editing of the well's historical and calculated data, as well as properties that are required to perform analysis. The editor contains several subtabs, which we will now briefly explore. The Properties tab is where correlations for fluid and formation properties are set, and field and lab data is entered for each entity. The Wellbore tab allows you to create wellbore configurations used to calculate sand face pressures, along with multiple configurations being possible through time. The Production Editor is used for importing and manipulating production and flowing pressure data. Similar to the Attributes tab, by checking and unchecking the boxes located in the Editor's Viewer tree, you can customize the table to the right. You can also save templates similar to attributes as well, so that you can recall them for quick use in the future. The Static Pressure Editor allows you to enter and manipulate static pressure data. However, this is primarily used for static material balance. To begin an analysis, we must return to the Analysis Worksheet menu. From the Editors tab, this can be done by clicking on New Worksheet, or if you are in any other tab in Harmony, simply double-click on the entity for which you wish to analyze. We now can select an analysis worksheet from Fast Decline Plus, Fast RTA, Fast CBM, or Fast Virtual. An entity for analysis can either be a single well, groups of wells created in the Entity Viewer custom box, or hierarchy entities selected from the Entities Viewer. If a worksheet box is in color, it means that that worksheet analysis is available to you. However, if a worksheet is grayed out, it means that that worksheet is either not applicable to your group of wells or entities that you've selected, or you do not have a local or network license available to you to access those particular worksheets. In the case of the Viking Material Balance group that I have selected, analysis such as analytical, numerical, and unconventional do not apply when a group of wells is selected. Therefore, they are grayed out. To begin an analysis, simply click on the worksheet to which you would like to apply. Additional analysis can be added by clicking on New Worksheet, which will return you to the menu we were just at. Once you've completed your analysis on your worksheet, you can save your workflow to use in the future or to share with others as needed. Results tab. The Results tab displays all of the results of the well and entity analysis, where they can be viewed, compared, printed, or exported as needed. The first sub-tab within Results is the Results Viewer. This tab allows you to review results in either a grid view or a plot view. The checkboxes allow you to customize the results that are displayed in the table to the right. Results can be exported to formats such as Excel, PhD Win, Aries, Energy Navigator, and as well the CSV file type. Additionally, you can export forecasts by using the Export Forecast button. Similar to other customizable tables, selections can be saved using the drop-down menu into a template to recall quickly in the future. The plot view allows you to compare results and parameters from analysis graphically in various forms. Forms such as cumulative distributions, cross plots, and histograms are available. The Comparison subtab allows you to create plots for comparison by layering individual diagnostic plots and analysis from within Harmony. The Reporting subtab is a print queue to batch print reports for multiple entities. This concludes the introductory video to Harmony, where you've learned how to open files and navigate your way through the main tabs of Harmony. If you have any questions, please contact us at fekete.com.